Hello, welcome to the channel. Are you trying to lose weight? Then watch this video until the end. There are many things that can help with weight loss besides a strict diet and occasional exercise. It requires proper planning and a lot of determination. You've probably heard of some difficult weight loss plans that actually make losing weight hard and complicated. You can achieve your weight loss goals using these simple yet powerful weight loss ideas, as long as you follow all the steps. You don't always have to feel hungry to lose weight. You just need to plan carefully and stick to your plans. Here are some easy steps to help you lose weight. 1. Start your day with lemon water. Lemon water is a great drink for weight loss. It helps your body get the nutrients it needs to burn fat into energy and prevents weight gain. Make sure to keep drinking lemon water even after losing weight to maintain your weight. 2. Take apple cider vinegar. Because apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, it's good for weight loss. Acetic acid prevents body fat accumulation. Apple cider vinegar also helps your body absorb nutrients from the foods you eat, treats digestive issues, and fights infections. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it once a day, at night. 3. Replace your regular tea or coffee with green tea. Another good idea for weight loss is to drink green tea. It has a wide range of antioxidants that help the body break down food and aid in losing weight. The catechins in green tea are excellent for burning fat as they release fat from fat cells. They also fight free radicals and prevent diseases. Switch your regular cup of tea or coffee with a cup of organic green tea. You can drink 3 to 4 cups of green tea a day. 4. Exercise. If you really want to lose weight in a healthy way, you can't skip regular exercise and activity. Doing a mix of mild and intense physical activity will help you lose weight and control your weight. Additionally, exercise helps reduce stress and boosts your energy, mood, and sleep quality. It lowers the risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, strokes, and some cancers. It's best to set a specific time in your day for your exercise routine, so that you don't skip it due to lack of time. 5. Eat a healthy diet. A healthy, low-calorie diet is crucial for a good weight loss plan. Make sure to include fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet, instead of consuming junk food. Avoid fried and fatty foods. Also, limit your intake of sugar and salt. Look for healthier versions of your favorite foods. For example, eat homemade air-popped popcorn instead of high-calorie oil-popped popcorn. Avoid foods made with white flour, like white bread, cookies, muffins, pizzas, hot dogs, burgers, pasta, and similar items. Choose whole grain and healthier versions of these foods. Their labels should say 100% whole grain, not just made with whole grains or multigrain. Eat more fiber and proteins, but fewer carbohydrates. Proteins will help you feel full longer and reduce cravings. Set aside 1 day a week for a cheat meal. Remember, it's important not to overeat. To get the most out of your cheat meal, eat it slowly and try to avoid distractions while eating. Choose fresh fruit juice instead of packaged fruit juices, which are full of sugar and preservatives. Use virgin coconut oil in your diet. It is easy to digest, good for your health, and also helps your body break down materials faster. Eat smaller meals more often. Do not skip meals, especially breakfast. Eat your last meal of the day at least 2 hours before bedtime, and don't snack late at night. Make sure not to eat mindlessly, and control your portion size by using smaller plates and bowls. Drink plenty of water. Drink a lot of water throughout the day to help your body flush out toxins. It is recommended to drink 8 to 10 glasses of fluids a day. Besides helping to cleanse toxins, it makes the body burn fat faster. Also, eat more fruits and vegetables that are high in water content. Get proper sleep. Getting enough sleep and relaxation is also very important for weight loss. In fact, not getting enough quality sleep affects your hunger and fullness hormones, negatively impacts your metabolism, and alters the way your genes affect your body mass index. Lack of sleep makes you snack more at night, crave comfort foods, and leaves you too tired for regular physical exercise. Lack of sleep can also hinder weight loss efforts. Make sure to get 6 to 8 hours of sleep every night. If you liked the video, like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss content, and also leave your comment.